So I've got these reusable cotton pads from Amazon. As you can see, they're dirty. So I'm going to wash them and see how good they come out clean. Side note, I'm using Tide. I do use these. I know I probably shouldn't on my face, but whatever. And I'm gonna spray this on it because this is amazing. And also, I don't believe that's gonna come out. Oh, and feather softener because why wouldn't you? Let's hope it actually works. Hopefully it comes clean. Also, I wash my makeup eraser the same way, so I'm hoping it will work the same.
This is how I've been cleaning mine in the washing machine. 1 scoop of detergent, 1 scoop of vanish stain remover for the stains, a dash of fabric conditioner. Been washing it on a 30-degree spin and they've come out clean. A few of them are lightly stained, but that's not too bad, I think. Slightly annoyed that the edges have frayed, so need to figure out why it's happened.
Come along with me as I clean my reusable cotton pads, and as you can see, for the past year they've gotten very dirty from makeup and oil use. First, I'm going to take some alcohol to get those germs out and to also clean those stains. After that, I'm going to put them into a bath of water and dish soap and just let them soak a little bit and get some of those other stains out. I'm going to go in deep and with a toothbrush and just scrub. Obviously, this is going to help some deeper stains and some stains that have been there for a very long time through the washing and drying process. You can also leave your cotton pads in an OxiClean bath overnight, which I saw help the most. After this, I'm going to take some hydrogen peroxide before I put it into a normal wash and dry cycle. And as you can see, at the end they look very good and I'm very happy with it.